the NI team will be going to Katwa encounter spot to give assistance to the local police. A detailed investigation is going to be also conducted in 4 major terrorist attacks in the last 2 years that have happened in Jammu. Priyank is getting us more details. Yes, Priyank.
Yes, Swati, the National Investigating Team is on its way to Jammu, where they will be assisting the local police team in the Katwa attack case. What we have been told that there are 4 major attacks which has happened in the time span of last year, where the National Investigating Agency will be taking care of the investigation in the Katwa, Riasi, Bataduria and Dangri incident. Although the Bataduria attack case is being probed by the local police, which is the Jammu and Kashmir Police, which will be taken over by the National Investigating Agency. So it quite clearly appears that there is a pattern of attack in all these 4 instances. That's why the senior officials will be taking charge of this particular investigation.
Right, so this is just to assist the local police there. Thank you very much, Priyank, for getting us the details. The National Investigating Agency will be investigating the recent attacks that have taken place in Jammu in the last 2 years. 4 major terrorist attacks, in fact, will be investigated by the NI. These include the one that happened in Dangri, Riasi, Bataduria and yesterday's Katwa attack as well. The NI will also be investigating the Bataduria terrorist attack, which till now was being probed by the Jammu Kashmir police. Priyank, in fact, continues to be with us on the broadcast. Priyank, we were talking about a pattern. The fact that all these attacks have happened in the Jammu region does raise serious concerns.
Yes, Swati, because over the, before the abrogation of Article 370, these terrorists were primarily focused in the valley region. Those 5 districts of Jammu and Kashmir were the key area where they were continuing. They continue the attack. But over the last 2 years, what we have seen the pattern is to move towards the Jammu side. The Jammu region was always considered to be a peaceful one. And the manner in which these FTs and LTs, which is the foreign terrorists and local terrorists, have collaborated with each other. And they have taken the altitude, and they are particularly targeting the tourist bus, which is quite clearly seen from a long distance, coming to an edge area where the attack is being carried out by them. And in this particular incident which happened yesterday, it is also quite clear that when the army convoy was taking a cut, this attack happened. So the pattern is quite clear that they have been trained to ambush, to create this kind of ambush on the foreign soil. They have been told that use these edges area for possible carrying out these kind of attack and run away from the location. What locals have also given input to the local police so far, that there have been several movements of the terrorists which were spotted in the area. When they refused to do that, there have been the OGWs, which is the overground workers, who have helped them. But the foreign funding is something for which the NAE has also been pushed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, because the local police cannot approve the foreign funding aspect which is coming out from the foreign side. NIA is the nodal agency which can continue and which can certainly highlight this issue on the foreign platform also. That's why the National Investigating
4 major attacks that have taken place in the last 2 years in Jammu. Thank you very much, Priyank, for getting us the details.